got some Arctic Char food first. I'm gonna go to work. Yeah, I don't leave until 5, but luckily we have long days here, and we'll take advantage of that. Let's see how our Orion Cooler arrived into Iqaluit. Okay, stay tuned. Day 2 of my trip here in Iqaluit. I'm at the Frobisher Inn, the hotel that the hospital is paying for. It's raining right now, so obviously I couldn't go out this morning. Hopefully this evening we'll be able to hit the water and try and see if we can catch some char. Anyways, I guess I'll hit the road because I have to get to work 9 to 5, and then after that it's all about fishing. Cheers. So here I am at the beautiful Sylvia Grinnell Park in Iqaluit, Nunavut in Canada. It's amazing. It's just breathtaking scenery, and the falls are just spectacular. I'm walking on granite, and it just feels surreal what the experience I'm going through right now. I've talked to several locals. They've been catching lots of fish. I don't know if I'm going to be as lucky, because apparently white people, or brown like myself, can't fish just below the falls. You have to be quite a few yards away from where they're fishing. So I guess that's just a reserved spot for native people. But anyways, just take a look at this. Right now, I think the tide is coming up. That's what they were telling me. So see what holds on for me in the next couple hours. Take a look at this. I'm just about to go and see if I can mix in with the locals and try to chat them up and see what they're using. Stay tuned. Got my first Arctic Char. Awesome. Put up a good fight. No video, but it was great. Look at this. First Arctic Char ever. this little one. It still counts. It's an Arctic Char. Say hi to the monster. That was fun. It's 9 o'clock in Sylvia Grinnell Park in Iqaluit, Nunavut in Canada, and it is August 17 and there's still light, as you can tell. There's quite a bit of light, so I'm going to take advantage of it and probably spend an hour and a half fishing, try to catch myself a fish, because I just found out that those fish are delicious. Arctic Char is delicious, especially if you try it as sashimi. It is an amazing fish to eat. So I'm gonna see if I can catch myself dinner, and stay tuned. Let's see what we catch. That right there is the Frobisher Inn. That's the hotel where we're staying. And over there you can look at the Frobisher Bay, which is a very historic bay where lots of trading was being done overseas. Of it. just came back from Iqaluit from an awesome trip I took on an Arctic Char adventure. I had filled up my Orion Cooler 25 with ice about 4 days ago when I got to Iqaluit, and I started putting fish in it, and I haven't filled it up again. I actually had to empty the water so that I could keep the weight down on my cooler for transport. And take a look at this. I got my fish right here. There's still about, I don't know, probably about a fourth of the cooler still full of ice, so it kept my fish cold for transport, which is what I actually was hoping. So actually, Orion Coolers, guys, Jackson Kayak, Orion Coolers, you guys make a great product. Okay, thank you for everything.